Eurofaas. Siin on Sten Saar. Ja täna mõtlesin mängida siis FIFA 15 ja player karjääri. Ma teen siis new karjääri ja ma teen playeri. Ma tulen tagasi, mul on see tehtud. Davai. Okei, ma valin siis endale tiimi ja suvaka tiimi ja Germany. Võtame siia. Oot selle. Nii. See läheb küll maha, see läheb semi-pro peale. Euros. Ja. Ma toon tagasi, kui ma hakkan oma meest tegema, davai. Toon siis tagasi ja hakkan oma asju tegema. Nii. Esimesena võtan selle. Ja kui te tahate teada, miks see sama nimi on kui mu YouTube'i kanalis, ma kasutan Gmaili oma kanalina. Et jah. Kommentaar name unknown, siis on git number, võtan 4, nationality, ma jätan England, siis ma võin mingisse teist tiimi saada. Nii. Ups. Mul on siis oktoober liibe ja 14. Nii, valetan teile. September ja 30. Nii. Ma korra panin video kinni, kuna mul tuli veel siia segama. Nii, võtame hair, styling. Mul on medium. Mul on sellised juuksed. Hair color. Mul on sellised. Ei ole on see. Nii. Back. Eyes. Eye shape. See. Recept. Nii. My color. Mul on see. Mingi rohkem midagi pole vaja teha. Position forward, center, playing style, finisher. Ja siin on, mul on ma teen nüüd selliseks, siis white. Okei. Jätan selle. Preferred food on see. Monica average. Jop. Minu pro on siis valmis ja lähme advance. Vabandust, kui te kuulete hääli taga. Mu õde laamendab. Ja ma loodan, et te kuulete mind hästi. Ma niikuinii vaatan pärast video üles ja keegi ma tulen tagasi kohe. Olen tagasi ja nagu näha on mul siis paar karjääri tehtud juba ja teen siukse player done ja nii. Vaatame kohe my pro. Vaatame. Okei. mul käis üks see. Keep on advance. Ma kohe tulen tagasi. Nii et tulen tagasi ja lähen teen play match ja teen Strong Team'i ja ma tulen kohe tagasi. Ma mängus olen. Okei, ma läksin mängu ja nüüd on õige läks screen ja alasi. On veitsa lähegab, nagu näete. Ups, ma ei oska üldse sihtida. Appi. Ma ei oska. Oh my god, täpselt vahelt või? Okei, mul aitab, ma lähen start. Nagu näha, nagu mul on suurustam Xboxi punkti.
Hertha Berlin in action today against Crystal Palace. Well, he's lent the ball to his mates. He's got it back again. Here the challenge. Good one. Stocker. Crosses in. And as the centre came in, the defender was well placed to deal with it. Peter Pekarik. Can he turn away from the challenge here?
Võtke tal pall nüüd ära.
James MacArthur.
Ei saa nii halb.
Marwan Shamak.
Oh, yes.
Fabulous clearance.
Jookse.
Into the attacking third. To whip it in now. And in goes the cross. Well defended here.
Oi, peaaegu. See oli küll hea cross.
Hunt. And it's Williams. James MacArthur. Roy Barons.
Tuleb või? Turjem! See oli hea löök, seda ma ei näinud. See oli väga hea löök. Ma näidan teile terve pingus. Ei hakka mingi pausi teha. Oh, sõida. Sõida. Mulle. Viga või? Tuli viga. Kas mina saan lüüa? Aa.
Sliding in and taking his part in the game into dangerous territory, really.
Well, it is. He saw the ball and he thought he could win it, but just a fraction off.
Just jooksin ära. Korra pausi ja vaatan, kaua video on kestnud. Okei, sain teada.
Trying to widen the approach play here, but it's out for a throw-in. Stocker.
Appi.
Lee Chung-yong. Throw in here. Stocker. Return pass.
Sain palli, yes. Läheme.
Great opportunity.
Viga. Mis mõttes?
tackle there is successfully done. Stocker. This is going to be
viga.
an interesting decision from the referee, San
Miks mina
Milano.
lüüa ei saa?
Tony Heitinga. He's gone for goal.
Oh,
That's quite a nice
goal,
way to
goal,
start.
goal.
It's not a league game, but a first pre-season outing, and he's got a goal.
Yeah, perfect start, just what he wanted, and his teammates seem impressed,
No,
and the
just
crowd
don't.
are behind him already. What a first
Kasi
time
just
finish
don't.
that is. Really did
Ai
swing his
oska.
boot at it.
Chance for the game to get better now, because at last we've had the opening
aga
goal.
muidu
Yeah, and now that he
ja ma
is
olen
stalemate,
nõus ka
his
naisma.
losing side is going to come out and throw a few more men
Mängust
forward, which should lead to a
subscribe'iks
better
seda
match.
laiki videosi. Vabandust, ma korra käin ära. Ma olen tagasi, mul sõber helistas. Pidin vastu. Söödu.
Interception made, but with any great difficulty. Williams. Lee Chung-yong.
Chung-yong.
Now Williams.
Nagu näha, siis mul läheb. Nagu ma olen juba öelnud. Mulle.
Stocker.
Mida?
People
Mida?
come out to
Mis
collect that.
juhtus?
So it's 1-0 here as the half-time whistle goes. Well, it's been tight and chances have been at a premium, but we've had a breakthrough.
Korra ära.
And now
Wait.
we await really what the reaction is going to be from what the managers say to the two teams.
In the first half,
Olen
sometimes
tagasi
these kind of
ja
matches
lähme
can explode
mängime
into
edasi.
life in the second half with plenty of goals. Let's hope that's the case.
Well, this rain is unrelenting, and I just wonder whether we're going to finish
see
the
oli hea
match as
tekkel.
we start the second half.
Mine, Sten. Oh, see oli hea.
Dangerous
Kaboom!
got to be. Keeper's pulled that one
Tuli
out of the
tõrjega.
bag. Well, they're a goal up. Now they've got a corner here.
Oli ja tõrje.
He's got it away, and that's what you have to
Löö.
do. The cross coming in.
Mul on piisavalt pikk ju. Siin.
Cross is in. And the goalkeeper is the boss. It was
peaaegu.
an easy catch to deal with. Joe Ledley.
Siin.
Stocker. Palace about to make a change here.
Peaaegu. On.
Can he turn
Siin
away
on.
from the challenge here?
What's happening? Ei katse.
Sheldrake.
Mulle. Appi, mis juhtub?
Substitution now for the home team.
Siin.
Here's the Governor
Siin.
General of this team. Passed it, gets it back.
Hea
Passed
sööt.
it again, wants it back.
Appi.
Sliding in for that challenge. Marwan Shamak.
Ma loodan, et ei kuule selle koputamist seina. Ma võin toksi seina.
That is a free
Viga.
kick. And they've got a
Viska.
chance to really make the most of that
Olla.
decision. Yellow card, Alan.
Yeah, quite right.
These days, going off your feet like
Oh,
that
yeah.
is running the risk of the referee taking serious action.
Well, he's dived in. It's a
Inter-
reckless one.
Ta on mul Ultimate tiimis. Väga hea mängija. Siin.
It's getting very desperate for Crystal Palace.
Mulle.
Well, I think we're going to see some Route 1 stuff here, Martin, in
Viga.
the next few
Ei
minutes.
ole.
Might not be pretty, but I'd be hoping it'd be effective.
Viga
The
või?
referee
Mis
saying there's
kaardi
a
ma saan?
foul. It is a free kick.
Okei, vähemalt hoiatus. Okei, ma tahan ikka mängida. Mind võeti välja.
bench. A substitute is clearly getting ready to come on.
Ma tahan
Now a
teile
throw-in.
kõiki mängu näidata. Nii, aga ma pole küll mänedžer. Kõmmutab!
Not good hands, this goalkeeper. That's a good save.
Loodan, et ma ei puhu mikrisse, et
The lead is
Saaks
still
kindlasti
intact,
kuulata
but
mind.
only just. The fans a mixture of nervousness and support.
Well, it's on a knife edge, this. I wouldn't like to call which way it's going to go.
joo.
Well, we're very late in the match now. Can either of these sides get the decisive goal? Murray. Crystal Palace are going to make an alteration. There's a substitute coming on.
Väga hea.
Good tackle.
Lähme. Ja mis ta ise see suudab? Appi.
Excellent positioning.
No.
And the interception is made. Tackle goes in. And it's a heading chance
Oh,
now.
yes.
It's the keeper's save. And he's kept the ball. It's a chance. Got to be.
Oh.
And they're level. They've got that equalising goal.
And that's flown past the keeper before really he could react.
We're all level again.
Kõmmutan kaugelt peale. Kus läheb?
The goalkeeper's ball. He's kept it. It's not getting away from him.
Kui tahate, ma võin üldse kinni teha, aga selle jaoks peate kirjutama kommentisse. Kui tahate seda.
Showing it's a physical game when it's a fair one too, and that's a great challenge.
Läbi.
That's the end of the game. A workout for the players and for the coaches, try one or two things out. I think we've seen that today. And in the end, it's not...
Okei. See oli küll raske, aga ma ütlen, nii, ma ütlen, head aega oli küll pikk video, aga ikkagi väga huvitav ja mulle meeldis. Loodan, et teile ka meeldib. Pange like, sub ja komment, et siis head aega.